can I make the show one word?
It's been fantastic.
I would 100% recommend this. It's like the best place, best trade show I've been to so far.
You never know what you're going to expect.
The show has been electric.
The traffic here, the energy, the excitement, the products at everybody's booth.
A lot of new participants, a lot of great foot traffic, a lot of good technology.
It's a spectacle.
Dude, you show up here and you're like, this is the best thing ever. Come on.
But these builders, they put their heart and soul into the vehicles. They want to be here. I mean, you can't get better exposure than being here at SEMA.
It doesn't get any bigger than SEMA as far as the automotive industry coming together and just showcasing what they can do.
This is the first time at the SEMA Show, but I do intend on coming back every year.
It's just an incredible all-around experience.
We're looking forward to next year.
Thank you guys, SEMA. It's been an amazing adventure. This is fantastic. It's going to be a great year ahead, and we're looking forward to the show next year.